In 2030, NASA plans to bring the International Space Station down toward an unpopulated ocean region. That sounds like the end of a machine, but it is also the beginning of a geography story. The target is not a city, or a runway, or a recovery zone. It is a remote stretch of the South Pacific, near the loneliest coordinate in the ocean. That coordinate is Point Nemo, 48 degrees, 52.6 minutes south, 123 degrees, 23.6 minutes west.
Point Nemo is not an island. It is not a buoy.
It is not a secret base hiding in the waves. If you sailed to it, your GPS would say you arrived, and the ocean would look exactly like more ocean.
The reason it matters is mathematical. Point Nemo is the oceanic pole of inaccessibility, the ocean point farthest from land. The nearest land is about 2,688 kilometers away. Not 26 kilometers. Not 200. 2,688. That distance is not trivia. It is the whole reason this empty water becomes useful. Now compare that to space. The International Space Station orbits roughly 400 kilometers above Earth. So when the ISS passes over this region, astronauts can be closer than the nearest land. Not always, because boats and planes can change the answer, but during an overhead pass, space can be nearer than civilization. That is the first weird part. At the loneliest ocean coordinate, the closest humans might be above you. The second weird part is that humans use this emptiness on purpose. Large spacecraft do not simply vanish when they are finished. They are moving fast, they hit atmosphere, most of the structure burns and breaks apart, but some dense components can survive. Those surviving pieces need somewhere to land. Mission planners are not trying to make a dramatic crash site. They are trying to reduce risk. They need a place where surviving pieces are least likely to hit people, coastlines, ships, or cities. That is why the remote South Pacific became useful. It is not special because it is full of something. It is useful because it is empty enough to aim at. People call this broad region the spacecraft cemetery. But that phrase creates the wrong picture. It does not mean there is one neat pile of satellites stacked under one GPS dot. The correct picture is a broad remote target region, with possible debris spread across ocean. Mir is proof that this is not just a future idea. The Russian space station Mir, launched in 1986, lived in orbit for 15 years, and came down over the South Pacific in 2001. It was not an accident in the way people imagine falling space junk. Its end was planned as a controlled ocean re-entry. Now zoom back to the ISS. The International Space Station is roughly football field sized. It is not a tiny satellite. It is a massive orbital laboratory where humans have lived and worked for decades. And even that has an end date. NASA's transition plan points toward a controlled deorbit at the end of the station's life, with surviving debris aimed toward a remote ocean region. That does not make Point Nemo magic. It does not mean the water is lifeless, and it definitely does not turn Lovecraft's nearby fictional Raya into evidence for anything. The real story is stranger because it is practical. A coordinate so lonely that Earth uses it as a safety valve for machines falling out of space. Point Nemo is not where the world ends. It is where humans choose the world to be as empty as possible.